Hey, I got a quick do-it-yourself Christmas ornament project here for you. So I used my Cricut. I cut out that Merry Christmas vinyl decal. I ironed it on to this Christmas festive fabric that I got from Walmart. And here I am painting my wooden hoop ornament red, lining up the fabric into the dried hoop, and then I just am gluing the fabric onto the hoop. So I'll have a nice cute little ornament, and this was a really quick and easy project to do. I got these supplies from Walmart, and it was probably less than $2 to create my cute little ornament, and I have so much fabric left over that I've been creating all kinds of different things with it. But there it is, just gluing that fabric on there. Next step, you're going to want to cut off any of the excess from the back. And then all you got to do is glue a little ribbon onto the back so you have something to hang it with. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you make it. Merry Christmas. Please subscribe to my channel for more.